We're gonna play Slime MM2, but we're gonna play as Talia. So now, yeah, the round has started. So yeah, let's go. I'm hearing John. Oh my God, why are you luring me, bro? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, they had ice cream too. So yeah. Oh my God, I've fallen for you. Oh, shimmy, shimmy, oh god. Wait, I have two of these. Yeah, I have two of that. I have two of that. Kiat! What the heck? Where the heck is the merd, bro? Where is the merd? The merd. Where the merd, it might be like ghosting or like, yeah, let's go. Hey, are you the merd? Are you the merd? I don't think this is the real WS10. That's just from the shop. Yeah. This server is so silent. Yeah. With Casey. Oh god damn. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. I wanna get yeah. I wanna get yeah. Like boom, boom, boom. Oh my god. What are you doing, man? What the hell are you doing? Ah. Oh my god, wow. Stop, stop. Bro, this boy keeps spamming. We are innocent for this round, as always. What did you expect me to be? A traitor or to slay? Like KC, slay. Ah, oh god. You can trust these people in this place. By Vanish Mom. God, I can't get in, bro. Ah, no. In my dear. Get here. Oops, oh my god, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Whatever. Bro, just give me the gun, please. Give me the gun. Oh, goddamn. Fire. There you go, finally. Oh, I took things over. Number. If you want to, if you want to add me, yeah, this is my user. If you want to add me, that's my user. If you, wow, who's the mad? 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 Yes. Who the that man? Why is he copying my avatar? But we are not gonna change our challenge today. when someone's copying us. I'm stressing out to someone's copying my avatar, like they're ruining my video. Yeah. Bro, where is WF7? Oh my god. What the hell? The what? Bye bye guys, that's all for today. Make sure to not forget to like and subscribe. I needed to end this now. Maybe there's a part 2. Cause yeah, I'm low bat. I'm in 20% now. So yeah, bye bye. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.